You call some real snapper, man, from the Caribbean Sea, and it doesn't get any better than this. So over here is the grill, guys. So the grill are gonna light up.
Pressure cut from here to the grill to your plate and to your tummy.
Alright guys, you hear that? Freshly caught. The fish is now on the grill. Well seasoned, well marinated, and
Jamaican style.
I mean you could smell
Just give me a minute.
the flavor of the spices. And so right here I'm in the kitchen. And the chef said I don't need no sauce, no nothing. I'm gonna take a taste. Wow.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hooray Freestyle Adventures! What am I saying? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
So right here on the beach, the grill is about to get lit, and right here as you can see they have some big snapper, I guess. First I'm seeing these big kind of snapper, and I mean, as you can see the gentleman is over there slicing them up.
This is small marlin.
What's that?
Blue marlin.
Blue marlin. Oh wow, look at that. Oh no. These are what you call some real snapper, man, from the Caribbean Sea, and it doesn't get any better than this. So over here is the grill, guys. So the grill are gonna light up.
Pressure cut from here to the grill to your plate and to your tummy.
Alright guys, you hear that? Freshly caught. The ocean is right over here. Freshly caught, and then look at this now.
Some cutting mistakes now, right?
Right?
100% meat. Look at that. Fresh.
Wow. This is what we're talking about. And then, as you can imagine, we're talking about some real authentic spices from the island.
Yeah, man.
And then, after seasoning up Freestyle Nation, from there, as you can see, a mixture of spices,
Yeah.
and he's seasoning them up. And from there,
We got some marination. We got scotch bonnet, garlic, onions, scallion, thyme, pimento, and then something we can't tell about, you know?
alright, so the secret ingredients, secret ingredients, can't tell you about that one. And from there, Freestyle Nation onto the grill over here. As you can see, the grill is already lit and the fish is being seasoned, and as mentioned before, is the first I'm seeing snapper this big. And
The key is up,
as
right?
the gentleman mentioned before, guys, freshly caught from the ocean to the cutting board where they debone it and season it with the spices, the secret spices, and from there to the grill over here. And over here we have some veg, and it's just a vibes on the beach. What more could you ask for than a day on the beach with some nice grilled fish? I mean, on the ocean front. So right here I'm in the kitchen, and the chef said I don't need no sauce, no nothing. I'm going to take a taste. Wow.
But
I mean, the flavor, the taste, the texture, and the aroma from the grill is just a complete vibe.
yes, sir. Okay.
I'm going to tell you right now, it's getting cold in the state wherever you are. Just make sure you book that flight and you head to Jamaica. It's just a different vibe when it comes to Jamaica. I mean, it's hot, but yes. We don't like the cold too much, so a little cold, mix it up, but it's a vibe out here in Jamaica. Imagine,
Chef.
the ocean front.
How long you been chefing, chef?
30 years.
30 years. How long you been eating?
Wow.
All my life.
When I was in my mother's womb. And I must tell you, it's just a vibe out here. This fish is just simply amazing. I mean, we're talking about the spices of Jamaica, the authentic thing, and it just doesn't get any better than this. So we're just here and we just enjoy it, and we're just having a vibe. Secret Montego is a place to be, and it's just a vibe. Look at that.
Irish.
From the ocean to the grill, fresh, nice and lovely, nice and delicious.
Real Jamaican snappers. It is no sauce, eh? I need no sauce.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Good?
Right?
So it's now the afternoon and it's lunchtime. So you have choices. You have fish if you want to come to the fish area. You get fish, and then if you want burgers, if you want jerk chicken,
Chicken coming around soon.
just about everything is on property. And as you can see, the guests are waiting in line to get this mouth-watering fish.
The guy gonna push it right around.
And as mentioned, from the ocean to the grill, and right here the chef is getting the fish debone, and as you can see, no additive to these fish, no preservative, fresh as it can be from the ocean to the grill. Look at that. This is what you call fish. No bomb fish around here in Jamaica, you know. No bomb fish. This is it. I mean, look at that. Beautiful. Fresh. Wow. All you need on this is some nice seasoning, some nice spice.
And a cool red stripe.
And a cool red stripe there, as the gentleman over there said. And
Joseph, you know?
trust me, it's just the vibes. It's just the vibes.
Enjoy it, alright?
Now, my question is, if I'm in the ocean and saw a fish that weigh 180 pounds, what do I do? No. Alright. I'm a tall man, about 6 feet 2.
Yeah.
Then this fish, and I weigh probably like about 290 the last time I checked.
Yeah.
Now, if I'm in the ocean and I saw a fish that weigh 185 pounds, what do I do, guys? I want you to leave it in the comment section and tell me, what do I do if I'm out there in the ocean and saw a fish that weigh 185 pounds? I mean, like, no. I have to be John right there on the spot, because there is no way. I have to be instant John right there, bro. I mean, like, but trust me, this is amazing. And as you can see, this fish barely have any bone in it. As you can see, the gentleman is deboning the fish, and look, you're not seeing no bone. It's all you're seeing is meat. All you're seeing is flesh, and it's just nice and fresh and just ready to go on the grill. And it's just a vibe. This is what we're talking about. And as you can see, we're overlooking the ocean, and it's just a vibe. Freestyle doesn't get any better than this. So, as mentioned before, guys, the fish straight from the ocean, and they have them seasoned, as I showed you before in the previous clip. And as you can see right here, the fish is now on the grill, well seasoned, well marinated, and I mean you could smell
Just give me a minute.
the flavor of the spices, and the aroma is just a complete vibe. And as you can see, nice and golden, nice and colorful. And as you can see, the guests are just out here in line waiting for that nice authentic taste of the grilled fish. We're talking about style, the Jamaican style, and it's just a vibes out here. Everyone is just having a good vibes. And as you can see, grilled fish, veg, and this lovely lady here from Breathless. I saw her earlier on, and she's a vibe. And I must tell you guys, it doesn't get any better than this. on the beach. Two nice big snapper. And the grill is over here. And it's just a complete vibe. So freestyle, you have seen it all for yourself. I mean, that fish, jerk fish, grill fish, roast fish, whatever you want to call it, was a complete vibe. I mean, the way the guys season the fish and then they just have it marinated right and the proper way and they just throw it on the grill. And the taste and the aroma from that fish was just a complete vibe. Now, I'm here now, just walking the boardwalk, and I must tell a guy, some nice sea breeze. I mean, like, and it's just a vibes out here. I mean, on a hot day, as you know, in Jamaica it is summer all year round. So even though it's October now, we're in the last part of October, it is still like 90 degree, 95 degree, 80 degree, 85 degree, and the sun is just catching. As you can see, I'm bald-headed and I have to have a towel over my head to try to shelter from some of the sun, but nevertheless, guys, the work have to go on. We're just out here looking some footage from our loyal viewers and subscribers. But in the meantime, guys, remember, you just do the right thing. Like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribers yet, just hit the subscription button and join the freestyle movement. So freestyle, until next time, guys, you know the vibes. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. On my way to 10k subs, and without you guys it's not possible. So just let's go ahead and just hit the subscription button, and remember, each time you subscribe, guys, hit the post notification that whenever Freestyle upload a video, you'll be notified. So until next time, Freestyle Nation, catch you in the